Hello, comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. This handsome fellow is your host, Bill Miller. All right, I'm very excited because we have a mystery unboxing. Here is the box. Now, it feels like it's got some heft to it. I don't know if we'll be able to get through all of it in one video, but we'll see. With the aid of our box cutter made for right-handers, we'll find out what lies within. I don't know what's in here. I don't know where it's from. I know I've had it for many, many months. So it's certainly past time to find out what we've got hiding in here. All right. Lots of bubble wrap. Okay. Lots and lots of bubble wrap. Oh boy. We've got what look to be slabbies. All right, I will try to do this in a way that will enable you to see them before I get to see them. All right, so packed in bubble wrap with some tape, and then what looks to be cardboard. So certainly packed well. Boy, oh boy. Oh, there are some raw books as well. All right, we'll do one stack per video. So we'll do 2 videos. Since it's taken just a little bit. Well, now I know where they're from. I see on the back. They're from Comic Connect. Okay. All right. Got most of it. We've got enough to. Yeah, I better turn these over so I don't see them. 'Cause I did see the one on top here. Wow. Lots of tape. All right, we have 2 in this bag, it looks like. All right, we've got one. Marvel Zombie version 2, number 1. So I think this is what, number 4? Isn't that right? In the straight numbering, it's actually number 4. So very excited about that. I believe that's a Vallejo cover. Tis. So this is maybe, well, it's got a little tear here on the cover. Yeah, you can see it right there. If it weren't for that, it'd probably be a solid to high mid-grade, but I'd say it's probably more a high low grade because of that. So maybe between a 4 and a 5. Maybe even lower, maybe a 3.5. All right. And the other one we have is Creepy, issue number 97. Very cool. This is a Frank Frazetta cover. Let's see if I can. I like these little stickers they put on. I just don't like them on the front. There. And this is a nice mid-grade, maybe a 5.5 to a 6.5. So very excited about that. All right. What else have we? Boy, this painter's coat is something else. And here we go. Boom. Oh boy. Fantastic. It's Ka-zar. Or is it Ka-zar? It's probably Ka-zar, but I've always said Ka-zar. And this is a title that we do collect. So this is Ka-zar number 18. Marvel. And this is, Marvel, October of 1976. Claw appearance. Cover Al Wenzel and Dan Adkins. Art Val Mayerick. Story Doug Mensch. This is a CBCS. 9.8 with white pages. It says, strike Macram. He can avoid the axe but not the mace. If Ka-zar will not rule with me, he must die. Arena of death. On the back, we have that Jack Davis Spalding ad, this one for their glove. All right, Ka-zar, issue number 18. Now the next one. Trying to do it so I don't see it first. And here we go. Boom. Oh boy. We've got the Sumerian. Fantastic. Soup's excited about that. This is Conan the Barbarian, number 35. Death of Bortai and Kai Shah. Cover Gil Kane and Ernie Chan. Art John Buscema and Ernie Chan. Story Roy Thomas. From the Pennsylvania Dutch collection. So it's a pedigreed comic. This is CBCS 9.4 with off-white to white pages. And it says, the hell spawn of Kara Shera. Beneath the desert sands there sleeps a demon. And on the back, we have the evil one, Evel Knievel. All right, Conan the Barbarian, issue number 35. And Conan is certainly a title that we collect. I think I'm trying to get the first 50 of that one. We'll see how that goes. All right, we've got two more for this unboxing. It's already getting a bit long, so I'll try to do it as quickly as possible. All right, and here we go. Boom. Oh boy. Fantastic. We also collect Marvel Spotlight, the second series. So this is Marvel Spotlight version 2, number 2. Marvel Comics, September of 1979. Doug Mensch story, Pat Broderick and Bruce Patterson art, Frank Miller and Terry Austin cover. Captain Marvel, Drax appearance. And this is a CGC 9.4 with white pages. It says, trapped inside, Isaac, the living computer. Captain Marvel battles for his life, the madness within. And on the back, you can earn famous name prizes or cash by selling cards and gifts from a free sample book. Now, I can't tell you which prizes or gifts. Mrs. Musings always gets upset when I start looking in there and reading off the prizes and gifts, so I can't tell you, but all right, maybe just a couple. Just a couple. Just a couple is all I'm going to do. All right, we have walkie-talkies. Ooh, we have a slot car racetrack set. We've got a guitar. What looks to be a model airplane. A raft. A Boss jacked up in the back 57 Chevy car. A watch. Clock radio, a tent, all kinds of goodies in it. That's all I can say. I can't read any more, otherwise I'll get in trouble. All right, so Captain Marvel, Marvel Spotlight, version 2, issue number 2. And we've got one more. Let's see what this one is. Have not looked, you get to see it first, and here it is. Boom. Oh boy! Look at that beauty. What a treat. All right, we have Web of Mystery, number 4, Ace Periodicals, August of 1951. This is a CGC 6.0 with off-white to white pages. Got Gene Colan art in here. On the cover it says, "I've found the treasure at last, but look there, the ghost of Sir Reginald. So that's why no treasure hunter has ever returned alive from the castle." Really enjoy this title, Web of Mystery. And on the back, you can reduce your appearance with a new magic panel feature slims like magic, looks slimmer, more youthful, a girdle, if you will, and even if you won't. All right, so Web of Mystery, issue number 4, and that will do it for the mystery comics that we're unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing them, and if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're alerted as soon as I release new videos. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. And remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.